right, this is just a brief introduction to our room at the El Cortez. First time staying here. We have room number 914, where we have a nice view of the mountains. Okay, I'm just stepping in. And we have twin beds, a chest of drawers, television, desk and chair, another chair, couch, coffee table, refrigerator, and a divided bathroom separate from the sink, safe, and closet. It's coming back around. You do have a coffee maker in the room, as well as 2 free bottles of water daily. That's it for this tour, folks. Not bad. I think I'll stay here again. So long.